Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to TechDroid and this is TechDroid Daily. So first start with the unique Android smartphone, the Nextbit Robin. As you can see that very unique Android smartphone, the Robin will also automatically back up your pictures and videos to cloud storage when you on Wi-Fi, and you can also the free up to storage on the phone by itself. Images can also be re-downloaded at the size better switch to your phone's display to save on extra space. The result is that data is cycled back and forth from the cloud as and when required without the users having to worry about it. Moving to the hardware, the Robin is familiarly mid-high end, although the not quite at a very premium end of the market. The phone is powered by Hexa-core Snapdragon 808 SoC and 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera and 2670 mAh battery. The display measures 5.2 inch with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. The handset is also packed with extra features including dual front-facing speakers and fingerprint scanner, NFC and quick charge capability. Nextbit also shipped the phone carrier unlock and you will be covered by warranty even if you flash other ROM to the phone. There's quite a lot of phones here for less than $400. There is new Moto X Force and Bounce. The Moto Bounce, a 5.4-inch Quad HD display, and it's powered by Snapdragon 810 processor with 3GB of RAM. Other specs include 32GB and 64GB storage and 21 megapixel camera, likely one of the Moto X style, and 3760 mAh battery. The phone will be also reported offer a shatter-proof design, measuring it will be have a probably a MIL STD rating. The rumor does not mention it, but we will not be able to shock if it end up with the water and dust resistant as well. But at the very least, it is probably a splash proof. So what is the Bounce? Well, we really don't know for sure at this stage. We will not be able to shock if the Motorola Bounce is just another name for the upcoming Droid Turbo 2. After all, the original Droid Turbo launch with specs that were more advanced than even the Moto X, the Droid Turbo eventually arrived in international market under the name Moto Max, and so it stands to reason that the Bounce could be able to international variant of the Turbo 2. Obviously this is all speculation at this point, so we will not be jumped to any conclusion just yet. Based on the very little we know about the Bounce, what do you think so far? Does a major compact flagship with the Snapdragon 810 appeal to you, or are you perfectly happy with the large 5.7-inch Moto X style? Let me know in the comment below. And finally, the very interesting news from Sony. IFA 2015 crazy, and Sony is expected to announce some of the most important devices at the event. Rumors have been going to nut about 3 devices coming from the Japanese manufacturer, the Sony Xperia Z5 and Z5 Compact and Z5 Premium. We know you have already seen plenty of leaks, but they are never too much. Last look at these 3 handsets before Sony takes the stage in Berlin. The leaks offer multiple images showcasing variable angles from all Sony Xperia Z5 International. On the back, we can still see what that classic clear design with the word Sony engraved right in the middle. A tiny NFC logo is included above the branding, and there is a 23 megapixel on the top left corner. On the front we have the usual rectangular back slab. Additionally, we can find the power button on the right side for all handsets, which double as fingerprint reader, as well as the volume rocker and the dedicated camera button. Otherwise, this is nothing but another close look at the phones. There is so much left to learn about these handsets. We know the Xperia Z5 should have a 5.2-inch 1080p display, while the compact will settle with a 4-inch 720p panel. Meanwhile, the premium version takes things up, not with a large 5.5-inch screen, but this is the largest of these phones. Rumors to be a very first phone comes with 4K resolution display that will be a 4096 into 2160 pixels. If you thought Quad HD 2516 or 1440 was already pushing it, you will be definitely be a surprise by the Sony new premium handset. Do take all of this with a giant of salt thought, as these are still all rumors. We will also have all the official details of as soon as possible. So keep subscribing to TechDroid for all your IFA 2015 news. So I always thank you for watching, and we will see you in IFA. Have a good day.